Welcome to EduAIverse, your smart guide to technology and AI. Students, ever feel overwhelmed with your studies? Here's how AI can help you study smarter, not harder. ChatGPT asks questions, get summaries, and clear concepts in seconds. Grammarly, fix grammar and write better essays or emails. Quillbot, paraphrase content and improve your writing. Notion AI, organize your notes and make study plans easily. YouTube AI tools, get short explanations on tough topics. Use AI for quick research, writing assignments, making flashcards, solving math problems, preparing for exams. But remember, don't cheat, use AI to understand and learn. Start using AI as your personal study assistant and feel the difference. Follow EduAIverse for more AI hacks for students.